Sometimes, it's not just about driving. It's about feeling every second of the road. This car isn't just a machine.
It's history.
It's emotion. The sound of the engine. Beats like a heart, strong, alive, unstoppable. Every turn on the road tells a different story. And every moment of speed reminds you what freedom really feels like. This is not just a ride. This is a journey through time. Old school power, with a modern attitude. This Mustang still rules the road. When the wheels start moving, everything else disappears. No stress, no noise, just you, the road, and the machine. The wind rushes past, like time itself can't keep up. You don't just drive it, you become a part of it. Every second feels alive. Every mile feels unforgettable. This road has no limits, no boundaries, no rules. Just pure motion and endless freedom. And never look back. Because legends never slow down,